Hey friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions again. Today's discussion is about the layouts, and the conversation came up regarding the layout templates, and I want to just kind of get an understanding of what the confusion is, the old one, new one, etc. If I were to open my layout template, I've got this standard template I use for 24 by 36. If I move that sheet boundary over, I suppose you could move that. I don't move that. I just go into print drawing sheet setup and tell it I want my 36 by 48. There's that. I'm going to move this out of the way. And then I can move the resize the title block as needed. So I'm just going to go up here and tell it that's half an inch away. Let's do 3/4. There we go. Three-quarters. All right. So that's going to be 1/8. And I'm going to extend these. Right. Let's extend that one too. That. And let's extend if I just make that 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. Select all of this, point to point move from here to there. And readjust my text. Nothing really moved in an unpredictable way, so I don't know what was selected to now I can readjust my text and all of these things here, but I don't know why that would have why anything would have moved in an unpredictable way. At least as my layout is just I don't deal with the sheet boundary. I just change that. See, I've got view drawing sheet is turned on for mine, so I see the white and the gray. Yeah. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Kind of gives you an idea of how to adjust the layout templates. Now we can't have two different sheet sizes. I suppose you could if you wanted to do your played with that. I wonder if you could do sheet sizes, different sheet sizes in the same file. But anyway, there's our new title block with a new sheet size in this layout page. Hope that helps. Take care.